Hi there, this is Diecast channel, and in this video I'm going to show you this 2010 Roush 427R Ford Mustang Convertible, which is made by Maisto in a 1:18 scale. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, to click the bell for news, and to like the video. So let's unbox it and then take a better look at it. So this is the Mustang. This is a 2010 Roush Mustang 427R. Which is a very nice car. It's got a very big block for a compact car, which really improves performance. This engine has got around 550 horsepower. So let's take a better look at it. As we lift the hood open, we can see the engine, which is a big block and a very nice engine bay indeed. Now this engine bay actually is a piece of plastic with all details, cast in plastic, and some other parts which are attached to it, and some other parts which are painted on to give better detailing. I would say this is pretty well made for a simple model car. Now, what differentiates really brands such as Maisto from brands such as Auto Art, for instance, is the way they do the fine details. If we look at Auto Art, we're going to see that those details here are a little bit more sophisticated than Maisto, really. But Maisto cars still are not bad. I would say that the level of detail in this miniature, very good, really. It's very acceptable. We can see the reservoirs, some cables and wires, a brake system. The hinges are a little bit thick, so I would say that that's an issue in basically almost all cheaper models, but still very nice. The hood opens and closes correctly. The windshield wipers have got those reinforcements here to avoid them to break. But anyway, this is a Maisto detail. I would say that only those who observe a little bit better could really notice that. The mirrors are in a correct proportion. The door handles are cast in metal, but still are very well made. Body lines are pretty much aligned. Doors open and close correctly. And by the way, they open and close just like in real cars. The seats are very well made. And there is a signature right here, a Jack Roush signature. Seat belts for front and rear seats, as we can see here. Let's take a better look at them. They're made in a kind of plastic or rubber, something like that. The dashboard, which is pretty much correct, pretty much rich in details. The gauges are actually stickers, but still very well made. Front wheels steer, mirrors and sun visors are pretty well made. Dashboard on the console, the central console with stick shift. We can see even the numbers of gears right here. It's a 5 on the floor. We can see radios and all functionalities right here, and all buttons and knobs which are correct. Steering wheel is correct. So we open the driver's door. You can see some more details. Speaker. You can see the other door. Seats are nice. The rear of this car is pretty much realistic. We can see those acrylic taillights. Trunk lid opens and closes correctly. The hinges are a little bit thick, but it's no big deal. The trunk itself is pretty well made. It's actually like that in a real car. Brake light, dual exhaust, wheels and tires with disc brakes and the calipers, pretty much correct. They're actually fixed, but in a real car they would move just like in the GMPs, but anyway they still look very nice. 427R stripe and the Roush logo right here. Headlights are good. And the bottom of a car, as we can see, the bays There's a unibody, just like almost Mustangs. We've got the working suspension. We can see it's a single piece of plastic, just like this one is a single piece of plastic. We could do a little detailing here. It's not really bad. I wouldn't say it's the best one I've seen, but I wouldn't say it's terrible. I would say it's pretty honest for its standard. Torsion bar, rear suspension, a drive shaft. It's pretty good. So analyzing this car, I would say it has a strong 9 from 1 to 10. Since it's a simple model, so we cannot demand too much of it. But as a simple model, it's very well made. It has some very pleasant details, such as those I've shown before, as well as this working suspension, the opening features that do not just open, but they open and close correctly. I would say this car is a very decent model, a very nice model to have in a diecast collection, especially if you like American muscle cars. I'd like to thank you for all views, for all likes and comments. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, to leave your like in the comments below, and click the bell for news, because very nice videos are about to come. And don't forget to take a peek at my Facebook page with the same name, named Diecast channel, in which I have the link for my videos as well as some pictures of my diecast cars. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.